Hello everybody, my name is Diogo. I'm the sales manager of MTEX for North American market. I'm here with Marco, my colleague from MTEX, also with a huge experience in the textile market. We are here today to make you this live stream about the MTEX DRAGON, which is the machine to print on sublimation transfer paper. Due to the situation of the coronavirus, so we are taking this time a little bit to make this live stream to answer to our customers. Why should I invest in the MTEX DRAGON? Why is this machine so important to me? What are the main advantages? So for that, Marco, I would like you to help me with these points. I would ask you, because I have two different customers, types of customers, one with very huge number of machines, like 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 machines, small ones. Another type of customers is already an industrial level customers with mainly Kyocera heads. So Marco, what do you think are the main, I'm sure there are many other points, but what are the main 3 points that you can give to me so I can give to my customers? Which are the main points to sell this machine? What are the main 3 advantages of this machine?
So, as you said, there's plenty of them, but
sure.
let's bring this to one very important that can multiply in 3.
Okay.
In my opinion and the world moment, I think that is related to cost. So everyone tries to reduce cost. In this cost, I will give you 3 of the bullet points why you should invest in a machine like this. So first is ink cost. As you know, it's apart from being a very competitive price in the market and a very good ink, we are able to reduce it to 20 to 30% the cost of the ink than the regular price of the market. Second is the consumption. I can guarantee you, depending on the of course, depending on the kind of production, but we can guarantee 30% on reduced ink waste.
Okay.
Not only from the printing, but also from the maintenance.
How come, Marco?
I will explain you easier this point. So when I'm saying reducing the cost of the waste is due to the technology that we use.
Okay.
The electronic head and waveform is the combination that allows you to reduce the ink waste. Since it's everything built by us, software, firmware, everything is built internally, we are able to drive the heads exactly as we want, with a specific waveform that allows you to control the specific drop size of the head. So this is very important and very different than the regular competition in the market. Okay? And another cost that is very, very important is the kind of paper that you use. In this machine, due to the system that we have on the motion, the way we built this machine, this industrial machine, you are able to run very light papers, or lighter than the normal, than the customers are already using the small setups, for example. So you can go to 20, 30, 40 grams paper, but that normally
Why is that different, Marco? Why?
Due to the construction, like I told you, remember that this is a very productive machine, so you will run very high speeds, 140 linear meters per hour in the production mode. To do this, you need a motion that is able to run the paper, but you also need to dry the paper. Okay? You can have files with low ink amount, but you can have files with heavy ink amount. And you have to dry it in say in high speed mode. We have 2 systems. We have a hot plate, contact plate that is drying the paper, exactly. And then we have a cold air ventilated blower
Okay.
that is relaxing the paper and avoiding any kind of wrinkles in the back when you wind the paper. This is very important when you have high
This doesn't
coverage.
happen in small machines, yeah?
Normally you don't have it in small machines, and that's why you have to run very heavy gram paper.
So this is one point. Yeah,
This is very, very, very important. And then the last one that I would also recommend, or at least point, is the warranty on this machine.
Okay.
It's a 2 years extendable warranty. Since everything is built by us, we can give you a full warranty and everything if you consume the ink. Remember always our MTEX ink. It's an open system, but remember that our waveform, our electronic, together with the head and with the maintenance, capping system, wiping system, they are, let's say, fitted to this ink. When you put a general ink in the market, then you can have other issues on the maintenance and you will spend more. So I don't think that is what the customers are looking for. Very important, like we spoke, the way we build the machine and the way industrial that we build the machine, our components, our electronic components, they're all certified. It's very good for maintenance and for technical support. I would recommend also to see the load of this paper that we are talking. As you can see, entry and exit of the paper is the same side of the printer.
Yeah.
This avoids labor, of course, easier, flexible, but most
In terms of
important.
footprint, also very important. You have here the feeder and the take-up. Yeah.
Exactly. But very important in this, like we were talking about the paper, is the way we build this system. So all servo drivens on the entry and on the exit. And also very, very important is the system that we have, the anti-static in the entry of the paper and the spreader in the take-up of the paper. Because it's already dried, it's a heavy ink over there, you need a system to...
So the full system, feeding system in continuous mode, it's what guarantees the
tension
quality
and the
at the
quality.
end.
Maintain gives you the tension and also gives you the quality and the sharpness of the print.
Okay.
So last point that I would definitely point after all these points is the platform to work with the machine is a very important point also. It's a very flexible and very easy to operate software. It will work with all data that comes from the RIP. It's an internal memory machine. So you RIP to the internal memory machine and you will print from there. So you have all the management from the print files and you have all management to operate the printer. Very easy, very flexible, very user-friendly for the operator. And I believe that it's a printer.
We have many features there, and we'll make a specific video about that later on.
Yes, we will have a second video talking about the McCaw software, that is the platform as a back office from the printer that will join all the production, all the costs, and give you all the numbers that a company today needs to have to be sure that the machine is reliable.
And Marco, to complement that now, also the production that the customers can achieve, yeah?
Yeah, it's a high production machine, like we have at the moment, 2 passes, 720, 140 linear meters per hour.
So, in resume, Marco, what are the 3 main points?
I put this as cost, so ink cost, ink waste reduction, and paper. So this is where the 3 points extremely important.
Okay.
And then I will add the warranty and the construction and software that is all made by us, that we can guarantee the customer the work that you have to get
Which
from this
at
machine.
the end of the day is what the customers are looking for
Production.
in their business, yeah? Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
See you next
Thank
time.
you.